President Biden announcing plans aimed at improving health insurance.
And WGN's Andrea Medina is joining us from the newsroom with more details. Andrea.
Mike and Ray, in his remarks, he proposed a series of steps aimed at bringing hefty health insurance costs down with the hope it could help families manage their expenses.
Today, I'm pleased to announce that we're making some progress in health care.
On Friday, President Joe Biden unveiled a set of new initiatives to reduce health care costs. It's part of his Bidenomics agenda.
Too many nights, too many Americans lie in bed, staring at the ceiling, worrying what will happen if their spouse gets seriously ill. What will happen if something else happens to them?
The Biden administration is proposing to limit junk health insurance plans, which are short-term policies. The president invited Corey Dowd to the White House event to tell his experience after purchasing one with a high deductible plan.
The hospital called to tell me that my insurance company was only paying for a few $1,000s and that I was responsible for the rest, more than $37,000.
He thought it would cover him after having an emergency surgery to remove his appendix.
These junk healthcare plans don't have to cover things like surgeries, prescription drugs, mental health visits, or even pre-existing conditions.
In addition to cracking down on those plans, the Biden administration wants transparency from companies about what's covered on the health insurance plans they offer, more information about credit cards offered at doctors' offices, and guidance to strengthen rules to prevent surprise billing charges.
Each year, those junk fees cost hundreds of dollars a month for tens of billions of dollars, weighing on down family budgets and making it harder for people to pay their bills.
While the president emphasized that his plans would protect hardworking families, it has been met with some criticism.
Big Pharma doesn't want this to happen, so they're suing us to block us from negotiating lower prices so they can pad their profits while hardworking Americans foot the bill. But we're gonna see this through.
The president also highlighted some plans that would allow Medicare to negotiate lower prices for prescription drugs and putting a cap on insulin costs. In the newsroom, Andrea Medina, WGN News.